Hello, my name is Michael White. Today I'll be discussing the part that our brains play in reading body language of others, specifically when it involves the opposite gender. Is it true that men really don't understand women that well? Neuroscience is shedding new light on this subject. Recently, a case study demonstrated that men might actually be hardwired to be worse at understanding the emotions of women than other men. The study involved 22 males that underwent a reading the mind and the eyes test, or RMET, that was coupled with fMRI technology. The reading the mind and the eyes test is important because the eyes are one of the richest sources of body language for humans, and body language consists of over 90% of our total communication with each other. The test involves displaying black and white photos of eye pairs to participants and examines how often they can correctly identify the gender of the eyes and the emotion that the eyes are displaying. All participants were shown 36 pairs of eyes in total and were given 8 seconds to respond. The fMRI was used during each RMET to monitor the brain activity of the participants. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, is a method to create high-resolution images of the activity in our brains. Because increased brain activity leads to increased blood flow, the fMRI machine measures the changes in blood flow to produce images of our brain activity. The data shows that men can correctly determine gender more often than emotion for both female and male eyes, but they were much more likely to incorrectly determine the emotion in female than male eyes, and that men were also slower in response on average when shown female eyes. The fMRI data obtained while participants underwent the reading the mind through the eyes test showed that men have greater activation in the hippocampus and right amygdala regions of the brain when analyzing emotions of male eyes than when analyzing female eyes. The hippocampus is associated with emotional memories, and the amygdala is associated with the processing of emotional reactions. This data may help explain the reason why we humans tend to find it easier to empathize with those who are similar to us than with those who are not. With information such as this coming out all the time in the field of neuroscience, hopefully we can overcome these language barriers in the future. Thanks for watching.